How to take pictures by saying smile, shoot, capture or cheese in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open camera, click on four dots more option, click on settings, scroll down, click on shooting method. Here you will see voice command. And if you want to take picture by saying smile, shoot, capture or cheese, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, take picture by saying smile, cheese, capture or shoot, or record video by saying record video. This is how you can take picture by saying smile, shoot, capture or cheese in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.